I want to show you my favorite features of this Futon sofa bed I just got. Everyone's buying it. Check it out. I wanted to talk to you today about something very serious. Convertible sofa beds. They're selling on Amazon, and there's a lot of different brands out there. People are struggling to figure out which one to buy because they are scared that it's either going to be one of those IKEA jobs where it just doesn't go together right, or they're terrified that they're going to put it together and something's not going to be right, or they're not going to like it, and they're going to have to file a return with Amazon, take it apart and box it up again. Something big like this, you don't want to run into that problem. I'm going to cover my favorite features of this specific convertible sofa bed, which I just bought last week. So bought it. My brother put it together. It was super easy for him to put together. He did it all by himself. Hold on, my dog's barking. Peters, bro, chill. We do it live on this channel. That's what I like to do, guys. I don't really like to edit videos. I'll even show you. Like I think I got like a stain from buffalo sauce on my white shirt. Like I'm a real person, guys. I bought this couch and I really think you're going to like it. Here's why. So I bought this one because in this color alone, about 800 of these are selling, over 800 of these are selling every month. But if you combine all the colors together, we're probably in the 1,000 to 3,000 range. That's how many people are buying this every month. And they're very pleased with it. So that's how I made my buying decision. I hate buying bigger things that you have to like put together and then worry about returning. I wanted to buy it right the first time. You've got these two really nice pillows that can kind of work as like these mini armrests kind of on the side. And that's how wide this thing is. I mean, you got those armrests there and you could still fit 3 people here. Although they'd have to be pretty good friends. So if you move those pillows, you've really got a lot of space. You can come all the way out here to the end. But I just wanted to give you a vibe with that. The other cool thing here is you've got a center console with 2 cup holders. So, I mean, that's incredible when you think about it. And if we want to go ahead and turn it into a bed, it's unbelievable how easy it is to do. You literally click up like this, and then it goes back. And you're ready to just go to sleep. Get a blanket, go to sleep. Now, as we're coming up, the cool thing I wanted to show you is you can actually just click up once and you're at this part way. So it's almost like it's got kind of a recline vibe where you're a little more lean back. It's a little more casual, a little more relaxing, but not quite lay down vibes. So that's really cool. At the end of the day, if you're looking for a 3-in-1 convertible futon or sofa bed, I think this one's the one to go with because it's the one I went with. Basically, I did product research. I looked at all the different brands out there. This is hands down the one to get right now. I knew when I bought it, I was not going to have to worry about returning it and I was going to be happy with it. I am happy with it. And I think you are going to be happy with it as well. I like it in the black, but there's a lot of cool colors. And that's it, dude.